it's dusty. Like Emma, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay. So today we got an unboxing to do, but this is not just a regular unboxing. This unboxing right here is an Amazon renewed Shark vacuum cleaner. Okay, and it's basically refurbished. Renewed means refurbished. It's just Instagram's lingo. But it's refurbished. Your girl did not want to spend $300 on a brand new vacuum because my old vacuum broke. So what we gonna be doing in this is we gonna be doing an unboxing. We gotta make sure it work, and I'm gonna do a short comparison to my current / old vacuum because it broke on me. Versus this one. So let's just get straight into it, shall we? All right. So get straight to it. I noticed too that it did not come with the Amazon logo on the box. Like, this is literally how it was shipped. Let me show you. I blocked out my address and stuff, but this is literally how the box is shipped. It's not an Amazon box whatsoever. And it was kind of heavy, but I'd be in the gym. Okay. So when I first open it, I see this. Yeah, this. This is what I see. Let me make sure you can see that. Yes, you can see that. Good. So this is the handle / hose. I'm gonna explain everything to you as I go, which I noticed already and I don't like. I don't know if y'all can see this because my ring light is like messed up, but like it's dusty. Like Emma, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh no, Amazon, y'all couldn't like wipe this down? It's going right on the floor. Like, I paid $130. I'll give you the right amount. But yeah, y'all couldn't wipe it down. Like, I don't like that. This is a little booklet. It says Amazon renewed. No. Little thank you card, but y'all couldn't wipe my shit down, so I don't understand, but okay. Oh, okay, so is it like this? Okay. Oh, so this is this is build the vacuum. So the top is like this, right? Put this to the side, and then when you look in, all of the pieces are right in there, which is gonna be annoying because it's like literally build a vacuum. Okay. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I'm just happy to clean my floors, but one thing about Shark vacuums that I'm not good at is putting them together, because like they make it so that these things is hard to break, because you can literally take like almost every piece of the vacuum out. So I'm happy, but I'm just like, I don't know, feeling a little bit challenged, I would say. Okay. So we have this piece. Okay. I'm going to take this piece. And this is the bottom of it. All right, at least this part is clean. At least they did that part. I feel like that's the most important part, is this right here to be clean, because I don't got time to be getting stuff with people dirt from their house in my house, you know. So because I have a vacuum already from Shark, I kind of know how this is supposed to go. So I'm literally eyeballing it. I have yet to see a manual. I'm just using my common sense. Common sense and prior knowledge. I am a Shark girl. When you guys see my current old vacuum, you're gonna understand why I just put that together so fast. Okay. This is what I got. Drop it like it's hot. It comes with, oh, okay, here's the manual. Ha 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 ha, all the way at the bottom. Okay, it comes with these accessories, like the brush to brush things separate, this suction plug. I'm gonna see if my old, and this little part, let's see if my old pieces fit this vacuum, which it should. I don't see why it wouldn't, but whatever. So right here, this is the vacuum, by the way. Look nice and clean. I just don't like that handle. The dust on the handle is killing me. But anyway, so I have 4s. I don't have carpet. So it says bare 4 and brush on. I don't know. Just as long as this could vacuum 4s, that's really all I care about. Anyway. Oh, I like that. Yeah. I like that. This is strong. That's what I love about Shark. Like, it's really, really strong. Like, you could feel, I could feel the breeze from the suction coming in here, from it sucking up whatever near it. Like, I'm a Shark girl, man. Listen, no disrespect to those other companies, but like, sometimes it's better to stick with what you know, and I like to stick with what I know, and what I know is Shark. So it says right here, professional navigation lift away. Lift away means, I learned this, is that it has these adapter pieces to go to it, and you can actually lift it, and it'll you can actually lift it, and these pieces will attach to it. So like, you could get like the ceiling, whatever you want to get that doesn't involve the floor. So like couches in between, whatever you, listen, that's what lift away means. I learned that because trying to find my old vacuum, I cannot find my own vacuum. I'm so mad about that, but it's okay. We will meet again, because when I'm ready to pay $400 for a vacuum, I will meet that vacuum again. So yeah, this is how it look. And what was very important to me too is these lights. Let me turn it on. See how that's flying in there? I love it. I love how the paper flies in there. I love it. But yeah, what was very important to me is the lights. So a lot of the Shark vacuums, especially the cheaper ones, don't have that option. And I learned that when I'm vacuuming my 4s, the lights make me see better, like, than my lights. Let me tell you something. I got lights in here. I got studio lights. I got everything. Okay. But these lights, I don't know. They just do something that the regular lighting can't do for me. But yeah, this is she. She is pretty. She seems cool. I just don't like this switch. Like, this switch is so old school. Like, I'm going to show y'all my old vacuum so y'all can understand. But yeah, this is she. And it has a dual handle. Put the handle in there. So now that I have these bad boys side by side, YouTube, meet my baby. This was my baby. I broke her. Shark didn't do anything. I broke her myself. I panicked. There was a bunch of glass. Panicked. The vacuuming up. The pieces was just too big. And I messed her up. She still cuts on. I'm sorry. She still cuts on. and everything. It's just, I'm gonna show you the comparison because I'm gonna plug both of them in. So like, all right, so when it comes to this, my baby, a newbie, because that's what she is, you see that mine's is much longer than this is much shorter, but I feel like this is more wider. So whatever. It says dual queen. This does not say dual queen. This just says navigation. So, and dual queen stands for, I guess, the dual brushes, invented for fine dust and large. Look, all fours and carpets. Like, it was just beautiful. Large, small, stuck on. Like, it was just beautiful. But it is what it is. But now the button. This is what I was trying to tell y'all. So this button here, it says fours. When it's green, that means carpet. So if this is ever green, you on the wrong setting. For me, I am. So it has to be on fours, hard fours. And then this is how it cuts on. It powers on like this. This is basically a downgrade. Like, this is like cheap. It's cheap, you know, because it's like bare fours, brush roll on, like what? And then like this has actual, it's an actual button you press. So that I don't like. This suction, like this right here, you can see that it's open. Like here, it has like a, like you have to see that the suction is, if you can see that, can you see that? You have to see like the suction is like open or closed. Like here it's closed, but then when you turn it this way, it's like open. I don't know. It's just fucking stupid. It's like you could tell that this one was more expensive than this one, and you could tell what they had to do to budget the cost for this one versus that one. This is my baby, man. Like, y'all don't understand. I love this vacuum. Like, this vacuum did its thing, and it still turned on. Let me show y'all. So when this turned on, I feel the breeze. You would think though, like you think, right? Green light is rolling. I still feel like somebody could fix this, but I just don't. I still feel like somebody could fix this. I just don't have the time and patience to fix it. Like, I'm sorry. But, you know, with this one, so it is what it is, man. I'm just happy to have a Shark vacuum that has the lights, and you could take off of the main part of it and just vacuum, so like walls, whatever you want to vacuum. And this is just temporary for now. I'm gonna get you again. Like, I don't care if I gotta go to a Shark store, speak to a vacuum expert. I'm gonna get you again, and when I do, I will be happy. I'm happy, but I'm not satisfied. With you, I was very satisfied, you know. But what can you do? It is what it is. I thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to update on how this vacuum is doing, just let me know. But this is really just the first impression and a comparison versus the old with the new. But yeah, like I said, thank you again for watching this video, guys. Check out my channel because I review all types of things, okay? And I'll see you in another video.
Let's cheerio to another video.